It's the rivalry game between the visiting Acalanes Dons and the Campolindo Cougars. The Campo girls starting off strong. Megan Coolbaugh to Audrey Pack to Erin Thomas for the kill, and the Cougs are in the lead. An overpass here by the Dons would find Pack right at the net to rip it home, and Campolindo takes the first 25-12. More Cougar action in the second. Brenna Lee to Pack, setting it up for Thomas, who makes it look effortless for the Campo point. Here's the terrific trio once again. Coolbaugh with the bump to Pack, connecting with Thomas, who nails that one to the hardwood to take the second. Acalanes fighting back in the third. Rachel Go to Kaylee McVeigh to Madi Rische, who tools it off the block for the Dons. Acalanes going hard in the third. Roxy Cummings finds Lane Webster for the back set to Rische for the monster kill as Acalanes takes the third 25-13. But it's all Cougs from there. Sarah Carrasco gets it to Pack with the back set to Coolbaugh, who smashes it just inbounds. And the Cougs here with a nice play as Olivia Knutson links with Pack, and it's Sophia Newman rolling to the center. Campo wins it 3-1. Coolbaugh and Pack leading the way.